guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be filming a review of what I got in my BoxyCharm box for the month of September, and I'm going to be creating this look for you right here. Oh gosh, we're in October, so this is a little late. I'm going to take you guys really quickly with what I received this month and kind of like the price points, and I am going to be trying them out today while doing my makeup. So I first got the Blushing Berries palette from Joseph Colors, and this palette actually retails for $32. And then I got the Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm Primer from Touch in Soul, and this one is $32. Got this Iconic London gloss. It's a really pretty shade. It's like pink nude-ish, and this one retails for $26. The Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. I'm actually really excited to try this, and this flew off. Bad review, I'm just kidding. This one is a kohl eyeliner, and this is a purple, like a plum color. This one retails for $7, and this Mellow Yellow brow one is actually 16 bucks. This primer right here. So this is the Glassy Touch in Soul primer. Ooh. It smells very fresh, but let's go ahead and apply it. Honestly, this primer is very dewy. Look at how my skin looks. Like, it literally looks glassy, how it says on the packaging. Like, do my eyebrows and then I will come right back. Okay, now since I did my brows, let's continue with using the next product that came in the BoxyCharm, and this is the brow tint. So this is my brows now. You're gonna be able to tell just because I already have like a shade on my... What? I like it. I mean, I like how it made my brows a little bit darker. Actually, I set them pretty well. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow. There we go. So before I go in with this though, I am going to be prepping my eyes with like some concealer. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. You know, I will say this though, I wish this palette had like a base color. First, I'm going to go with the shade Berry Chick. So this one right here, and I'm going to apply it to my crease. And I'm using a Luxie 205 brush. The shade Roseberry, which is this shade right here. That reminds me of like rosemary. And then I am going to blend that out. Honestly, you want to keep just blending and blending and blending. I am going to go in with the color Buff and Blend E39 brush and the color Berry Pop. So it is this color right here. And I'm gonna go apply that, still same area in the crease. I really wanna have like a very cranberry look to this. Okay, I'm gonna go with a Morphe MM441. And this brush actually already had a shade on it, but it doesn't have. I'm gonna take more of that Berry Chick color and actually apply more of that to my crease because I want some more like orange on there. So let's do that. So now I am gonna go in with this E55 brush by Sigma, And I am gonna apply berries onto my lid. So let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, my camera's about to die. I literally hate when this, but I am basically just going to blend in, keep blending this color in. Alright guys, so I actually went off camera to do my other eye, and I actually ended up going a little bit darker. I added the shade Berry Black, so that's this shade right here, to my lid, making it like more of a smoky eye look. So now I am actually going to just be adding my lashes. I did my eyeliner with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. And now I am gonna go in with my lashes. So for my lashes, I'm actually going to be using a lash from the On Fleek box. So this is a monthly subscription. This was sent to me by them, but I'm gonna go in with Tease. It's these lashes right here. They look super pretty. So something you need to know about, like, when you do your lashes, you do want to make sure that you are measuring out your lashes so that they fit your eye, and then also cut them accordingly. Alright, I do see that I need to cut a little bit off of each end. Not much off, just because I feel like this is too long for my eye, you know? So I'm getting like the Duo brush on adhesive and apply mascara. So I used the Big Ego from Tarte Cosmetics. I got that one in like 2 BoxyCharms ago, so it is super beneficial to have BoxyCharm, because when I go missing out of things, instead of running to the store and grabbing stuff, I'll just get it in the mail and I'm like, oh, I needed a mascara. It's a good time to like try it out. Wow, they apply super, super nicely. I'm gonna go in with my NARS foundation. Apply this foundation all over. Go with my Sigma F83 Kabuki brush. Let's see how this primer does. So the camera actually died when I was in the middle of filming my foundation, so I actually went all over with the NARS. I did like about 3 pumps, and then I'm just adding a little bit more. I didn't even set this, so you can tell that it is like pretty, like it stays on after. So I am just going to tap in because I get pretty oily on some spots. Then usually after I apply foundation everywhere, I go in with like a beauty blender, just so that I don't have any like brush streaks. There we go. I really feel like this primer is actually making a huge difference. I always have to apply like a ton of chapstick. Let me know which Burt's Bees you guys like. Burt's Bees is like my favorite chapstick ever. Okay, so now I am actually, after I do that, I grab some Bare Minerals powder. This is the shade Camel, like a regular powder brush. This is from NYX Cosmetics. This is from like their holiday collections. And I just pat a little bit everywhere, like kind of the main spots. I'm gonna grab some Fenty Pro Filter shade 210, and we are going to apply this under our eyes. Guys, I feel like I'm starting to get wrinkles. I don't know if it's like my job or like what it is that's causing these, and it's freaking me out. I'm barely 23, guys. Like, I should not be getting wrinkles. Probably stress, or I don't know. highlight our nose, our under eyes, and then shade by Iconic London. I want to see like what kind of shade it is. Okay, definitely like overlaying my lips. This let's go back to the eyes. I'm gonna actually line my lips with the purple liner called Velvety Touch Smooth by Kohl Eyeliner. It actually came in the BoxyCharm. There's no color, you guys. The Berry Chick. Using an E55. Bottom mascara makes all the difference in the world. So now we're gonna go in with the E310 Mica brush. We are going to highlight the inner corners of our eyes. I'm gonna go in with the gloss, which is the last product that came in BoxyCharm, and we are gonna try this out. I am going to go in with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray.